Oma product by Doug Grace. Launching a KPI option. KPI option is the key performing indicator option, which are synthetic tokens that will pay out more rewards if a project KPI reaches predetermined targets before a given expiry date. Every KPI option holder has an incentive to improve that KPI because their option will be worth more. This is intended to align the FIDO token holder interest with the collective interest of the protocol. Using Oma's long-short pay contract template and optimistic oracle, any project can create its own KPI options tokens. This can be backed by any approved ERC20 token and can be valued against any KPI that a project wants to improve. Launching a success token. Success tokens offer an alternative way for DAOs to diversify their treasury and sell tokens to investors in an incentive-aligned way. Success token are just two financial products wrapped into one token, a set amount of a project token, which is combined with a covered call option on that token backed by a said amount of the same token. We have integrating with Optimistic Oracle. This demo will set up an Optimistic deposit box contract which custodies a user's ERC20 tokens balance on a local testnet blockchain. The user will deposit wrapped Ether into the contract and withdraw wrapped Ether denominated in USD. For example, if the user wants to withdraw $10,000 USD of wrapped Ether and the Ethereum/USD exchange rate is $22,000, they will withdraw 5 wrapped Ether. The user links the Optimistic deposit box with one of the price identifiers enabled on the DVM. The user deposits wrapped Ether into the Optimistic deposit box and register it with the ETH USD price identifier. The user can now withdraw a USD denominated amount of wrapped Ether from their deposit box via smart contract scores with the Optimistic Oracle, enabling Optimistic on-chain price. Proposing an HOMA improvement proposal. HOMA improvement proposal, which is UMIPs, are design documents used to propose charges to the HOMA ecosystem. UMIPs are intended to be the primary mechanism for proposing new features, collecting community input on an issue, and for documenting the design decisions that have gone into the HOMA protocol. UMIPs are a convenient way to track the progress of an implementation. Examples of common UMIPs including adding a new collateral currency or price identifier to be supported by the DVM. UMIPs are presented to HOMA tokens holder for voting through the voting dApp to determine whether they will be accepted or rejected. UMIPs need to provide a concise technical specification of the feature and the rationale for the feature. They are modeled after EIPs and S and Z EIPs. See here for an EIP template and ZEIP template. Understanding long-short pay contracts. The long-short pay contract. The HOMA long-short pay contract template allows for the creation of unliquidatable capped payout financial contracts. Minters can lock a unit of collateral in return for a pair of long and short tokens, and then market make or take a long or short position by selling the long or short token. Other users can go long or short simply by purchasing the tokenized position. Some ideas for contracts that can be made with the LSP include binary option, insurance product, prediction market. We have linear payout speculation on the radio of DEX to SEX monthly volume. Another is covered call option. Then we have range tokens for treasury management and success tokens for treasury management. Understanding Optimistic Oracle interface is another OMA product. Optimistic Oracle interface. This document explains how different participants can interact with the Optimistic Oracle to view the most updated mainnet. Cover on how to deployment of the Optimistic Oracle contract. Refer to the production address listed here. The Optimistic Oracle is used by financial contract or any third party to retrieve prices. Once a price is requested, another one can propose a price in response. Once proposed, the price goes through a liveness period where anyone can dispute the proposed price and send the disputed price to the OMA DVM for settlement. Once again, this is OMA Products by Douglas. Thanks for listening and watching.